Connecting people and places, awakening emotion, inspiring adventure. Movement is at the heart of the automotive industry. Today, the industry faces its greatest transition in a century to become more agile, efficient, and innovative, to reduce its carbon footprint while scaling up sustainable operations and embracing a changing global landscape. But it's not enough to just ride transformation. With Hexagon, you can drive it. Hexagon empowers makers to leverage game-changing manufacturing technology and automotive expertise, accelerating design cycles, bridging the gap between the virtual world and the shop floor, exploring new layers of precision, automation, and quality at every step by fusing the digital and the real. Dream, make, innovate. Partner with Hexagon to build tomorrow's automotive industry and get it right the first time.